Union Minister for Housing and Urban Affairs and Power Manohar Lal Khattar arrived in Tripura on Sunday on a significant official visit. Upon his arrival at the Maharaja Bir Bikram Airport in Agartala, the Union Minister was accorded a warm and formal welcome on behalf of the state government by Tripura's Power, Agriculture and Farmers Welfare Minister Ratan Lal Nath.
Minister Ratan Lal Nath greeted the Union Minister with traditional warmth and stated that the visit holds immense developmental importance for Tripura, particularly in accelerating central schemes and reviewing infrastructure progress. During his high-profile stay in the state capital, the Union Minister is scheduled to chair several administrative and review meetings. Senior state administrative officials and top-ranking police personnel were also present at the airport tarmac to receive the central dignitary. Reporter from Agartala, Chini, Khorang.